Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create MeetMe account with Facebook. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download MeetMe application from the Play Store. For that, you need to go to the Google Play Store, tap on search bar and you type in for a MeetMe. Search. From here, you can download MeetMe application. As I have already installed the application on my phone, I will tap on Open. At the sign up page of MeetMe, here you can sign up by providing details like your name, email address, password, birthday, gender and location. Also, you can log in directly with Facebook by just tapping on Login with Facebook. For this video, as we are going to create our MeetMe account with Facebook, so we will tap on Login with Facebook. Here you need to provide your Facebook account details, that is Facebook account, email address and password. So go for it. After you are done providing your details, you tap on login. MeetMe is requesting access to your name and profile picture, email address, date of birth, photo, gender and current town or city. If you tap on continue as Nancy, all your Facebook details will be associated with your MeetMe account. Tap on continue as Nancy, registering. As you can see, my MeetMe account has been logged in with Facebook. Now all the details or the information of your Facebook will be associated to MeetMe account as well. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to create MeetMe account with Facebook. Thank you.